Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students. Hope that you people are enjoying at your home. You people are staying safe at your home, and you people are giving a very balanced time to your studies also, along with playing the other games on the internet. I'm hoping it from you people. Okay. Uh, in our today's lecture, we will go through a quick review of our chapter 1 of our grade 10th book, that is the gaseous exchange. We can just have a look of the subtopics which we have just gone through it, and if any missing portion is there we can discuss about that, and we can just have a look of our exercise, and just we will finish this topic. So alhamdulillah, we are able to finish our chapter 1, that is a gaseous exchange of our grade 10 book. Okay, in this topic we have gone through many subtopics. The first subtopic was how the gases are being exchanged with the environment and the plant body. So we were surprised to know about these facts, that Allah has blessed each and every part of a plant body with special openings or the pores through which the gaseous exchange has been taking place in its going on process. Okay, first of all, if we talk about the leaf portion, we will come to know that at the backside of the leaf there are the special openings that we call stoma, a single opening called stoma, and if the openings are more than one we call them stomata. So within the leaf, at the backside of the leaf, a special opening called stomata are present through which the exchange of the gases is taking place. Now come down on the stem portion of the plants. Few ornamental plants are having the green portion stem, while the other hard, long, woody trees are having the wood portion as a stem. But it's a surprising fact that the woody portion are having the specialized structures called the lenticels, through which the exchange of the gases is taking place. In the same way, if you go to the roots are having the small pores inside the soil, where through which the roots are able to absorb in the gases and even give out the gases. So just how surprising fact it is. Then in our next topic we go through the gaseous exchange in, you can say, humans. For this portion, first of all, if you people remember, we have discussed whole passageway the whole passageway and the lung of a air first. So if you people remember, we just go through our oral cavity, our this portion, our chest cavity, where the lungs are being situated, where the exchange of the oxygen and carbon dioxide is being just taking place inside the alveoli. We have just gone through in such a big detail about that, each and every part of our breathing system. Then we go through that the mechanism of breathing. In the mechanism of breathing, we have just learned about all those changes which are happening when we take in the air, and we call that process inspiration or inhalation. The taking in of the air is called inspiration or inhalation, and whenever we give out the carbon dioxide, this is basically the exchange is happening now. We are taking in oxygen and we are giving out carbon dioxide. So whenever we just give out carbon dioxide, we call it expiration or exhalation, and we are just removing the excessive amount of the carbon dioxide from the inside of the body to the output surrounding. Yes, then we have gone through that. You can say, what are the main respiratory disorders which are affecting our breathing system in one and another way. We have gone through 5 respiratory disorders, that is bronchitis, where we are having one passage, one tube that we call bronchi. Whenever that tube become inflamed, you can say what is happening, inflammation occur there, the bacteria can make the infection there, and it can cause us the you can say coughing. And there are the 2 stages of the bronchitis: acute at the first stage and chronic at a lethal stage, and sometimes it lasts for more than 2 years. Then come on the emphysema. Yes, emphysema is a main disease which is happening in the which part of the breathing system? Alveoli. Alveoli is basically that grape like structure where where it's like a cluster of the grapes, where basically the exchange of the carbon dioxide with oxygen is happening. And sometimes these are equipped with the elastic walls. Sometimes whenever these elastic walls become, you can say, weak, these elastic fibers will not work in a proper way, and sometimes the what happen in the result, the alveoli will contract, but it will not relax properly. When it will not relax properly, what happened, the amount of the carbon dioxide which is being present there, how it can remove out? By relaxing of that alveoli. So when it will not relax it properly, what happened, the alveoli will not go, sorry, the carbon dioxide will not properly remove out of the lungs. So it's a very big problem again. Then pneumonia, it can an infectious, you can say, it can cause the infection to the lungs. Many bacteria can come there. We can have a high fever in this, and we can have the shortness of the breath. And now vaccinations are available in the market through, so we can have, before starting the season, the winter cold season, before starting that, we can have the vaccinations to protect ourselves from our such kind of the problems. Then we go through the asthma. It's an allergic disease. Many people are allergic to the many insects, pollens, dust, germs which are present inside our air, because whatever is present inside our air, with the help of our breathing, within the you can say exchange of gases we are taking in, although Allah has given us a proper protective mechanism in the whole passage, but whenever we are destroying that passage due to our any activity, then it can cause us many kind of the problems there. So, and the last one that is very important, we go through the lung cancer. And in my last two topics, I just give a special emphasis on this, to just create the awareness that lung cancer, the causes of the lung, one big cause of the lung cancer is the smoking habit. So whenever we are, or any person is in the habit of smoking, that person is not only affecting himself or herself, but also affecting the persons which are in the present directly in the surrounding of that person. So now we can just have a look of your book. There is one special table. That table just shows a gas composition in the inhaled air or the exhaled air. In particularly, we can just have a look of that topic, and we can go through the exercise, and we can just mark the exercise properly. And once again, with the grace of Allah, we are able to finish our chapter 1, and in our next lecture we are starting with the chapter 2. And hope that now the concepts are very clear to you people. If you people are having any problem, you can give me a direct message even in your Google Classroom. I will be inshallah replying with your each and every question. So stay safe, my students, stay happy, and please give your precious time to your studies also. It's a golden time for you people to relax even at home, to make you people safe at home, and even to give your enough time to your studies other than playing the PS4 and all that such kind of things which are available in for you people nowadays. So stay happy and safe at home. Allah Hafiz.